ship na natin. Ship na natin yan.
Meow meow. Meow meow.
So yun nga, quick update lang guys to those birds that I'm gonna shipping out to the to California. Day before shipping, today's Sunday. Just gonna, you know, prepare the birds more. Grab some of those shipping boxes and then get them ready. Gotta make sure they're sanitized. Okay, so yan, we're gonna find it in here, whichever box we're gonna use. Okay, so be right back.
Moments later.
All right, so I found one in here. We're gonna use that, or right there. There's one in the floor, right there. There's more over there, I think. But oh, right there. There's one more over there. I think there's one more over here. But I think I'm gonna use this because he needs. We're gonna put 5 on here. Not needs, but we're gonna put 5, and then we're gonna put extra dropper. So just to clean this up, I think. Let's see what we got here. All right, so there's an old litter in there. We're gonna remove that, get rid of it, burn it, whatever, and then sanitize it before we put the birds in tomorrow morning. Okay, so I'll be right back, guys.
More moments later.
Yun, we're gonna spray it with alcohol. And there you go, making sure. Let's try lang natin. Should be fine. Sanitize it. Okay, so I'll be right back.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, so there they are. They're outside, just chilling. Just rained here, so a little dirty. But these are the birds. Whew. Yep, those are the birds. And I'm gonna throw in that dropper too. Right there. Look how chill and relaxed these birds are. And please don't mind those poop on the floor. They're fine. They need some dirt on them too, you know. But there we go. Let's go inside.
20 minutes later.
Alright guys, so now we're also going to put some haze in there, so that way they're comfortable traveling. Right there, more hay. Yeah, that guy there is so chill. Let's just spread this. Alright, so one of the reasons we're putting hay on here, so they're comfortable. Also, I'm gonna ship them full tank, so they're gonna poop out, and you don't want them, you don't want those poop staying wet all the time, right? So this would help those poops absorb, you know, this would help absorb those poops that they're gonna shit out, right? So yep, that's about it. So tomorrow, this is today's Sunday, so I'm shipping them out tomorrow. And yeah, that's about you know, that's what they're gonna look like. That's the box there. Okay.
The next day.
All right, guys. Good morning. Shipping day. So I'm gonna feed them first. By the way, I put some flooring. Shipping day. Let me feed them, so that way they'll have some, you know, something along the transit. So, okay, so let's go inside, feed them. Let's go. Come. Come on, guys. Come. Feed them first. Let's see, time check. Alright, so time check, 8:25, that means 7:25 Monday, March 7. That's daylight saving time. So, right there, okay? Feed them first, making sure that they have some, their full tank before I send them out. So I'll be right back, guys. I have breakfast myself too, and then I'll basket birds or I'll box the birds. Ship them out. Okay. See you later. All right. So I'm also going to give this guy a deal pill. Okay. There we go. She or he's good to go. We have another one here. This bird right over here, and then they're good to go. I hope they make it all okay on transit. There we go. So I'll see you guys later. Put them. There you go. Another one here. And that's it. It's ready. Alright. Good luck to the new owners. Bye. Okay mga guys, here you go. Ayan na. Okay? Be right back.
Ito mga pala ibon natin, mag-unbox tayo ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo. Ibon na galing ng New Jersey, padala ni Kuya Chris Crisostomo. Thank you. Papasilip ko sa inyo. Ito yung unang ibon. Sila ng ito yung pangalawa. Young bird sila, young bird. Lalaro natin. Anong yellow lip ring. Ito naman yung pangatlo. Ito naman, pang-apat, white fly. Ito naman yung pang-lima. Ito gusto ko, ganda ng katawan. Pinagbago. Pusong-puso. Ito naman yung pang-anim, bonus. Oh. Dropper lang yan. Nice dropper, oh. Kung gusto nyo rin na magkaroon ng ibon kay Kuya Riz, i-follow and subscribe nyo sa YouTube niya. Ito na yung mga ibon na galing ng New Jersey. Salamat ulit kay Kuya Riz.